Let's get fuzzy.
Me too.
Hello everyone, this is Mega City. This is the train. At here people wait for the train, but at here some cars go, get extra fuel, so to jump this place. And they ride right and they jump. And they go. Then they go to the parking lot. There are already 2 cars at the parking lot. And here's another train. But the biggest thing at here, there's also a helicopter garage. And it landed. Also, when they come to the garage, they can, someone who wants to go, they can go like this. Even if there's a stop sign, they can go to here. They go, and then they are at this place with the dragon. Here. I don't even know how I can walk it here.
And here it's the
Or-
road where
Or you can go like this and jump from here, get some fuel, and go like this.
Oh yeah, hello. I need to.
Hey, I'm stuck.
Look, this place is for roads, like where cars, like buildings, like big buildings. And here it's like a farm, or there are races, like you understand that. There's a
And also-
farm at here. Look. Here.
And also at here,
There's
cars
a
can
race.
go. Cars can go like this. The extreme people can go. Very extreme people can go to there, but kind of not really, like just want to make you brave. They just go like this. By this Hot Wheels track. Go. And those who passed the shark, they go back. But who wants to get more extreme, they could have gotten to there and go like this to the dragon.
Your
And then
minion.
there is a mini parking lot too. This is a photo of Ninjago places. This is a mini farm.
And your minion.
And minions. There are minions at the mini farm too.
It's quite a dirt.
If I could say for real, the minions are for checking the cars because they're going to extreme garage.
They're like police.
Yeah, like there are people when they go to kind of extreme places.
Wait,
There are polices to check the car.
who put the gas?
It's a
Like
few.
this goat, yeah.
No.
He goes to here and
No, he's eating this tree.
this.
He's eating this tree.
But who gonna pour
Or
some?
It's future, you know. It sees all by itself.
Okay,
To pour gas or not.
but you could make like this too.
And also at here it's written gas station. And I'm showing that the gas station is right here. So this is the end of the video. Thank you for listening. Let's get fuzzy.
Thank you for watching.
Subscribe to our channel below, and put likes.
And ring the bell.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching.